there, and welcome to Bonita's Kitchen. I'm so glad you found us. Here on our channel, we make simple, down-home Newfoundland and Labrador recipes that everyone can enjoy. From traditional Newfoundland favorites straight from your nan's cookbook to quick and easy meals, I've been sharing these recipes with you for over 10 years, from our kitchen to yours. So whether you're here to bake some bread, make a healthy dinner, or try your hand in canning, there is so much here for everyone. Or you can just sit back and enjoy the show. So hit that subscribe button, join our kitchen family, and let's cook up a nice feast.
Always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen. To yours.